Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common topic that many of us are curious about: combining fasting with exercise. We'll uncover the top mistakes you might be making and how to avoid them to optimize your fasting and exercise routine. Before we dive into the mistakes, let's briefly discuss the benefits of combining fasting with exercise. When done correctly, fasting and exercise can synergize to enhance fat loss, improve metabolic flexibility, and boost overall health. However, it's essential to approach this combination mindfully to avoid potential pitfalls that can hinder your progress and put your health at risk. Now, let's uncover the top mistakes many people make when combining fasting with exercise. Mistake number 1: inadequate pre-fasting nutrition. Not eating enough the day before your fast can set you up for challenges during your fasting period. Without sufficient energy stores, you may experience fatigue, weakness, and difficulty maintaining your fast. Proper pre-fasting nutrition is crucial for ensuring that your body has enough fuel to sustain you through the fasting period. When you don't eat enough the day before, your glycogen stores may be depleted, leaving you feeling depleted and sluggish. To avoid this mistake, focus on consuming a balanced and nutritious meal the day before your fast. Incorporate complex carbohydrates, lean protein, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to provide your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to thrive. Including foods rich in complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables, can help replenish glycogen stores and sustain you through the fasting period. Additionally, prioritize hydration by drinking plenty of water and electrolyte-rich fluids to support your body's functions. By prioritizing adequate pre-fasting nutrition, you'll set yourself up for success during your fast, ensuring that you have the energy and stamina to effectively engage in physical activity and maintain your fasting routine. Mistake number 2: overtraining during fasting. While exercise is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle, pushing yourself too hard during fasting periods can have negative consequences on your body. Fasting already places stress on your body as it adapts to the absence of food intake. Adding intense or prolonged exercise on top of fasting can further increase stress levels, leading to potential negative effects on your health and well-being. Overtraining during fasting can result in elevated cortisol levels, which may impair immune function, disrupt sleep patterns, and contribute to muscle breakdown. Additionally, excessive exercise without adequate nutrition can lead to nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, and increased risk of injury. To avoid this mistake, it's essential to listen to your body and prioritize rest and recovery during fasting periods. Instead of intense workouts, consider incorporating moderate-intensity activities such as walking, yoga, or gentle stretching to support your overall well-being. Remember that rest is just as important as exercise for achieving optimal health and fitness. By avoiding overtraining during fasting, you'll reduce the risk of burnout, support your body's natural healing processes, and ensure a more sustainable approach to fasting and exercise. Mistake number 3: neglecting hydration and electrolytes. Fasting and exercise can increase fluid and electrolyte loss, leading to dehydration, fatigue, and potential performance decline. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance are essential for maintaining optimal bodily functions, especially during fasting periods when water and electrolyte losses can be heightened. Neglecting hydration can result in decreased exercise performance, impaired cognitive function, and increased risk of heat-related illnesses. Additionally, inadequate electrolyte intake can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and electrolyte imbalances. To avoid this mistake, prioritize hydration by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially during fasting periods and before, during, and after exercise. Aim to consume electrolyte-rich foods and beverages such as coconut water, sports drinks, or electrolyte tablets to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. Listen to your body's thirst cues and drink fluids regularly to maintain proper hydration levels. Pay attention to signs of dehydration, such as dark urine, dry mouth, or dizziness, and adjust your fluid intake accordingly. By prioritizing hydration and electrolyte balance during fasting and exercise, you'll support optimal performance, enhance recovery, and minimize the risk of dehydration-related complications. Mistake number 4: poor nutrient timing. Failing to replenish nutrients post-workout can hinder muscle repair and growth, impair recovery, and increase muscle loss. Nutrient timing plays a crucial role in maximizing the benefits of exercise, especially during fasting periods when your body's nutrient needs may be heightened. After a workout, your body is primed to absorb nutrients and initiate the muscle repair process. However, if you delay or neglect to refuel your body with the right nutrients, you may miss out on the opportunity to optimize recovery and adaptation. To avoid this mistake, aim to consume a balanced meal or snack containing carbohydrates and protein within the first few hours after your workout. Carbohydrates help replenish glycogen stores and provide energy for muscle repair, while protein supports muscle protein synthesis and tissue repair. Include sources of both fast-digesting carbohydrates, such as fruits or whole grains, and high-quality protein, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, or plant-based alternatives, in your post-workout meal or snack. By prioritizing nutrient timing and refueling your body with the right nutrients after exercise, you'll support muscle recovery, enhance performance, and maximize the benefits of fasting and exercise. And there you have it, the top mistakes to avoid when combining fasting with exercise, along with practical tips to help you maximize benefits and minimize risks. Remember, consistency and balance are key to achieving your health and fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on fasting, exercise, and wellness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay healthy and stay happy. Health disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications.